How to create a very colourful cutting background design in Krita. Well, first thing to do, just going to go to the Freehand brush tool and I'm going to select the brush. Main reason is because when you use the polyline tool, it uses the brush that you've selected here. So I'm just using that. So I'm just setting the size, maybe 17, 18, doesn't particularly matter. Set a reasonable size anyway. And then go to the colour sliders and actually set the colour to black. Black is probably the best colour, but you can use a dark colour as well. But black is very best for this polyline and the fill tool. So select the polyline tool and then just click the document in different positions. I'm just creating a triangle each time. So I'm creating a triangle, I'm just creating another triangle. You of course can use squares, whatever different designs, but I'm using triangle here. And you can of course go to the brush tool again, brush settings, and set the, so I've just set it as a bit thinner than before. You can go click there, and so on and so on. You can obviously continue this multiple times across the and there. I've just rapidly speeded up a bit. Okay, so once I've actually done that, go to the fill tool and then just set the threshold, make it fairly low, something like 4 or 30 or whatever. Now, once you've actually done that, what you want to do is set the colour. You can go to the colour sliders again, set the lightness, set saturation and hue. So now I'm just going to just fill it with each of those little sections, little cells, with a colour. So I'm just changing the colour each time, so purples, greens. Now you could set it to the same colour all the way through, subtle changes in colour, maybe different lightness, different saturations maybe, up to you. Of course, once you actually done that, just rapidly go again through all the different colours, and once it's done that, you can see you've got this abstract cutting background very quickly in Krita. Now, of course, what you can do, then you can go and apply some effects, maybe a blur, maybe a half tone, maybe just go to the colour settings or adjust and colour balance, HSV, etc., and change the colour there. And that's it. Just a quick run through of creating some interesting colourful background designs in Krita. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.